everyone, welcome to our channel Food Soon Park. Now we here at Nam Chang Piak. This video content is about food. Are you ready? If you ready, here we go. Hey everyone, now we at a Som Tam store. Review of the Som Tam Para. Let's go order.
10块呀！我家在南家野啦。
Our second shop is Suki Restaurant. We will order seafood sukiyaki to eat together. It's better go and order.
Our third shop is a fried sausage shop. Let's go see what's there.
Now we have all our food. Let's taste how delicious it is.
This is Som Tam Para. It's so delicious. A little bit. For me, Som Tam Para, so salty and spicy. Yeah. Very spicy. Not good but not bad. For me, I don't like. Yeah. Then sukiyaki. Yeah. Now. It's good. I like. It's so delicious. I like it. Very good, very good. Little spicy? Yeah. For me not spicy. For you spicy? Spicy. I don't like spicy. How do you say delicious in Chinese? 好吃. Yeah. Delicious in Chinese, we say 好吃. Yeah. And I like it. We say 我很喜欢 Yeah, 我很喜欢 eat sukiyaki. Yeah. This is meatball. Now meatball. It's so delicious. Yeah, I like. So yummy. It's 很好吃. For me, I like sukiyaki. If you? For me, meatball. Yeah. If you? Sukiyaki. Yeah. Sukiyaki is win. Yeah. ให้คะแนนหน่อย Sukiyaki. I give sukiyaki in 10 mark.
เต็ม10ให้2
ให้มือที่30นะYeah, for you? Sukiyaki 8. Okay. So sometimes you give 4. For you? 5. For me, it's 2. I don't like Som Tam Para. And meatball? 10. Yeah? It's you? 9. For me, 10. I like it. กินโซสุดาสุดแล้วนี่ประตูไม่แพงแต่อร่อย Yeah. ก็การรีวิวการกินของเราก็มีเท่านี้นะคะ อาจจะกาบงไปบ้างก็ขออภัยณที่นี้ค่ะ